What if the fountain of youth isn't just a myth? From jellyfish that can turn back time to sharks that live for centuries, these 10 immortal animals may just hold the secrets to everlasting life. Ready to uncover nature's most resilient wonders. Number 10. Deinococcus radiogerans, the ultimate comeback bacteria. Deinococcus radiogerans, often dubbed the world's toughest bacterium, is renowned for its resilience to radiation, dehydration, and even the vacuum of space. Known to survive up to 1.5 million rads of gamma radiation, over 3,000 times what would kill a human. It owes its resilience to a remarkable DNA repair mechanism. After severe radiation damage, this bacterium's cells can reassemble shattered DNA fragments, almost as if stitching itself back together. Found in extreme environments from nuclear waste sites to deserts, Deinococcus radiogerans has piqued scientists' interest as a model for DNA repair and radiation resistance. Insights gained from this bacterium might advance radiation therapies and even protect future space travelers. Number 9. Freshwater pearl mussel, the 250-year-old filter feeder. The freshwater pearl mussel, Margaritifera, is a bivalve known for its incredible lifespan, sometimes reaching 250 years. These mussels inhabit cold rivers in Europe and North America and contribute to ecosystem health by filtering water, improving quality and clarity for other aquatic species. Their low metabolic rate helps them age very slowly, with each individual capable of filtering gallons of water each day. Releasing larvae that latch onto fish gills allows them to disperse over long distances, which safeguards against local environmental threats. However, pollution and habitat changes pose significant risks to their populations. Research on freshwater pearl mussels may yield insights into metabolic processes that influence longevity, potentially offering clues for aging studies. Number 8. Lobsters, forever young with telomerase. Lobsters, particularly American lobsters, exhibit what seems like perpetual youth thanks to telomerase, an enzyme that prevents cellular aging by repairing telomeres, the protective ends of chromosomes. Most animals lose telomerase activity as they age, but lobsters maintain high levels throughout life, allowing their cells to keep dividing without typical aging-related damage. This constant growth means that older lobsters are often larger and more fertile than younger ones, though molting, the shedding of their exoskeleton, eventually becomes energy-intensive and risky. While theoretically immortal under ideal conditions, lobsters in the wild often fall prey to disease, predation, or molting complications. This unique regenerative ability has prompted scientists to study telomerase as a potential path to slow down or reverse aging in humans. Number 7. Glass sponges, the 15,000-year-old survivors. Glass sponges, particularly Scolimastra jubini, inhabit the ocean's cold depths and may live for up to 15,000 years. Unlike most animals, they have skeletons made of silica, which grow very slowly in nutrient-poor, stable environments. This gradual growth, paired with a low metabolic rate, contributes to their exceptional longevity, making them one of Earth's longest living organisms. Glass sponges lack traditional cells, relying instead on unique structural adaptations that help them thrive in extreme conditions. Their fascinating biology is being studied for insights into aging, as the processes that protect their structures over millennia may reveal methods for cellular preservation applicable to human medicine. Number 6. Rough-eye rockfish, the deep-sea dwellers. Rough-eye rockfish, known for their longevity, can live over 205 years, primarily in the cold, deep waters of the North Pacific from California to Japan. Their slow metabolism and unique adaptations allow them to thrive in deep, oxygen-rich environments, where they grow slowly and reproduce at a more mature age. These fish have a unique genetic profile that includes efficient DNA repair mechanisms, which protect their cells from cancer and age-related degradation. Studies on the rawhide rockfish have found specific proteins that combat oxidative stress, a major factor in cellular aging, and allow for extended health spans. The insights gained from studying their unique resistance to aging may one day inform human health span and longevity research, especially concerning cancer resistance and cellular repair processes in human tissues. Number 5. Greenland shark, the underwater Methuselah. Greenland sharks, Somniosus microcephalus, are the longest living vertebrates known, with estimated lifespans of 400 to 500 years. Found in the icy depths of the North Atlantic and Arctic, these slow-moving sharks grow extremely slowly, sometimes at a rate of less than a centimeter per year. Scientists have discovered that Greenland sharks reach sexual maturity only at around 150 years, highlighting the connection between low metabolic rates and extended life. Their eyes, which accumulate proteins over time, help scientists estimate age using radiocarbon dating. This slow metabolism, combined with unique cellular adaptations that limit DNA damage and prevent cancer, contributes to their longevity. Researchers hope that understanding these mechanisms could provide insights into aging and longevity in humans, including how metabolic rates impact health span. Number 4. Planarian flatworms, masters of self-regeneration. Planarian flatworms possess a remarkable ability to regenerate lost or damaged body parts, thanks to their high concentration of pluripotent stem cells. When a flatworm is cut into pieces, each piece can regenerate into a fully functioning organism, making them effectively immortal in terms of regenerative capacity. This regenerative ability has fascinated scientists as it allows the flatworms to avoid cellular aging, maintaining their bodies in a youthful state throughout their lives. Studies reveal that planarians can continually replace damaged cells with new ones, a process that may hold the key to unlocking regenerative therapies in humans. By understanding the genetic and cellular pathways of planarian regeneration, scientists hope to one day apply similar processes to human medicine, potentially achieving breakthroughs in healing severe injuries, organ regeneration, and possibly even anti-aging treatments. Number 3. Tardigrades, water bears, practically indestructible. Tardigrades, or water bears, are microscopic creatures renowned for their ability to survive extreme environments, including high radiation, freezing and boiling temperatures, and even the vacuum of space. This survival ability is largely due to a unique process called cryptobiosis, in which tardigrades expel nearly all water from their cells, effectively halting their metabolism and entering a state of suspended animation. They can remain in cryptobiosis for decades and revive when exposed to water. Their cellular structure includes unique proteins that protect DNA from radiation damage, allowing tardigrades to repair their cells after exposure to extreme conditions. As a result, tardigrades are of high interest in fields such as space travel and radiation protection research, as understanding their resilience could contribute to developing protective measures for humans in extreme environments. Number 2. Hydra, the regenerative wonder. Hydras are tiny, tubular freshwater organisms that have captivated scientists with their seemingly eternal regenerative abilities. This capability is largely due to their high concentration of stem cells, which are continually renewed and replace any damaged or aging cells. The hydra's biological fountain of youth involves telomerase, an enzyme that maintains telomeres, the protective caps on the ends of chromosomes, allowing cells to divide indefinitely without signs of aging. Unlike other creatures, hydras reproduce asexually through a process called budding, where new hydras form from the parent's body, perpetuating their life cycle without the need for sexual reproduction. Recent studies have highlighted that hydras do not experience cellular senescence, a typical sign of aging in most animals. Their unique cellular mechanisms, including the lack of aging in their somatic cells, have made them a prime candidate for research into anti-aging therapies. Hydra cells continually replace themselves with fresh, undifferentiated stem cells, meaning their entire body undergoes constant renewal. Number 1. Immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, the Benjamin Button of the ocean. The Turritopsis dohrnii, or immortal jellyfish, is the only known animal capable of reverting fully from an adult to a juvenile state under conditions of environmental stress or physical damage. Through a process called transdifferentiation, its adult cells revert to an early form, similar to human stem cells, effectively resetting the jellyfish's biological clock. This remarkable ability to transform back into a juvenile polyp stage can theoretically allow it to escape death by aging, though it remains susceptible to predation and disease. Thanks for joining us on this dive into the extraordinary world of nature's immortal creatures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications for more incredible content.